let us take a look at tables and how to typeset them in LaTeX. Basic environment for typesetting tables in LaTeX is so-called tabular. So we say begin tabular, and note that tabular has one mandatory argument, so it's an environment with argument. Basically what we do in this argument is specify the columns. We specify the columns by their respective alignment. So we use L for left alignment, C for center alignment, and R for right alignment. Then inside the tabular we just specify the data. So we can say what we wish to have in some particular cell, and we separate or delimit cells with the ampersand sign. So this way we specified one line. If we wish to go to the new line, we just write the double backslash and new line. So here we just type the contents of each individual cell. And let's take a look at our resulting table. Maybe it doesn't look like a table at all, so we need to polish it. One thing we can do is to add there some horizontal and vertical line. So how does it work? If we want vertical lines, we put into the column specifier, we put the pipe sign. So if we put pipe sign between the first and second letter here, it means there's a vertical line between the first and second column. Once we use double pipe, it means double line. This is some freestyle. We can use as many pipes as we wish to whatever place we wish, and the tabular just obeys and put it there. If we wish horizontal line between two rows, we just put the hline command between those two rows. So this will make a line between the row 1 and 2. We can have double line just using double hline commands. And we can of course put some line above the table or below the table. This also works. Well, there's one serious issue with this table, and it is that it goes into the margins. This is quite a serious problem in typesetting because it looks really poor, and we should avoid this at all costs. The way how to avoid such problems is summarized in the video about troubleshooting. But let's look at how to do it with tables. By default, the rows or the cells are in single line mode. So this L, C, and R are single lines. If we want line wrapping, we need to say it. So we can use line wrapping, for instance here. We use the P as paragraph and specify the width. So the width is fixed. We can specify the dimension in number and units of measurement, which could be centimeters, millimeters, inches, or typographic points. Or we can say it relatively to the width of the text between margins using ratio and the text width command. So this way we set the last column and it has activated line wrapping. Well, that's it. That is the basic information about how to typeset tables. Of course, it's possible to typeset much more complex tables in LaTeX. but this is beyond this course.